how I replaced gaming with coding and become a web developer. Hey guys, thank you so much for coming back. I am really happy to see all of you today. In today's video, I'll share with you my personal story, how I became web developer. I hope it will help you know me better, and I also hope it could help you with your own journey. My love for gaming has a long history. I was lucky because my parents bought a computer when I was really young. It was an IBM 486. Probably some of you have no idea what that means. Let me share with you some picture. Actually, the computer didn't belong to me, it belonged to my brother. However, I had a chance to use it. The first games I remember playing were Wolf and Doom. Wolf was first-person shooter action game that I remember until today. Doom was similar type of the game, but instead of killing people, you kill monsters. It was a really scary game, that's why I usually didn't play at night. Until today, I remember cheat codes for Doom, IDDQG for turn on God mode, or IDKFA to have full set of debugs. Then came Duke Nukem, Sin City, Blood, and many other games. Actually, Blood was first PvP game for me. I remember trying to connect through dial-up modem with my uncle. It was a terrible experience, but we managed to get connected and saw each other. However, there was no chance to have PvP action. I think many of you don't know what does it mean, dial-up. Dial-up or Usenet, a Unix-based system that uses dial-up connection to transfer data through telephone modem. Actually, it was so terrible experience, but it was the only chance to connect with each other due to sounds of dial-up. As time went on, more PvP games appeared, and I actually started playing more seriously, even sometimes participating in local competition in my hometown. We played Quake 3, Counter-Strike, StarCraft, and so on. PvP games took a lot of my time. I really loved play and could play for many hours. Sometimes after school, my friend and I, we would go to the computer clubs and could spend 6-8 hours. In the computer club, I saw Ultima Online for the first time. Of course, I'm not only playing, but I also study. I believe that games help me to learn various things about computers. In that time, I felt that I knew almost everything about computers. Software, hardware, I felt that I know everything. I basically started with Terminal. In that time, it was DOS. Then it was Norton Commander. Then it was Windows 3.1, and so on. I could replace certain parts of the computer, like a RAM or HDD. I could connect few computers together or connect few HDD together and define where is primary, where is slave, and try to transfer data between HDD and so on. Many of my friends usually call me if they had problem with their computer, so they ask me to help them to fix something or install Windows. In that time, I felt that I had some skill that others didn't have. This probably influenced my direction. After school, I joined Mathematics College and started my software engineer journey. My major was Organization and Technology of Information Security. Sounds fancy. We learned so many different things. Something I like, something I didn't like, but I never had a problem sit in front of computer. In college, I first learned HTML. I like study, but I love playing games even more. So during my college time, I played Ultima Online. Ultima Online is a fantasy and multiplayer game. It's known for its extensive combat system. I love this game so much, and I think to this day, this game is the best. You play it with real people like yourself. In this game, you have to develop not only your character skills in the game, but also your personal skills like negotiation, business, saving, trading, and so on. So you have to communicate with other people and do certain activities to become better, stronger, and richer. So in this game, you have to travel around the universe, explore different cities and continents. And the most exciting part is that if you go somewhere, you usually go out from your guard zone. It means someone can kill you. And if someone kills you, then you lost everything that you take with you. It was a really good game. Until today, I have good memories about it. I played pretty well. That's why my name was in tournament table for PvP battles. Since I spent so much time playing this game, I sometimes felt that I wasted my time. However, I didn't want to stop until one day during a very important PvP battle, I lost. I was so sad. That's why I decided to stop. I'm not sure why, but that loss actually helped me to change my habits. I don't think it was easy, but I don't remember suffering during that time. So maybe it wasn't that bad. Even though I still spend a lot of time in front of computer, I tried to find a way how I can feel that time. I didn't think about getting job because I was so young and I still studying. But one day I've heard about freelancing and online work. It was really interesting because I saw the opportunity to earn money. I don't remember if fl.ru was the first website where I registered, but I think it was the website where I found my first freelance work. That was more than 18 years ago. Wow. My first task was convert PSD file into HTML document. Well, right now it sounds so easy. I've never done such a job before, but I wasn't afraid. I think I wasn't afraid, but maybe I am really afraid. I wasn't skilled with Photoshop, so I cut some part of the design using MS Paint. So basically, I did screenshot, then take that screenshot, paste it into MS Paint, and cut the small part that I need from MS Paint. And actually, it was the first time when I found that BMP format is so heavy and it's absolutely unsuitable for web. It was really heavy and page loaded so slow. After many hours of work, I finished my HTML code and sent it to my customer. He was happy with the result and transferred to me my first money. I was really happy. An extra level of happiness came when I knew that he would like to continue work with me. He mentioned that loading speed of my page and quality of work was better than from other developers. That's why he chose me to continue. Making money was an enjoyable process, just like playing the game. So I started to spend more time to learning HTML coding and doing different freelance work. And I think after about 3 or 6 months, I've got my first job. I found a job that allowed me to study and work at the same time, and it was amazing. From that time until today, I almost never give up on computer and web development. I've done a lot of different things over these 18 years and continue my journey to this day. From time to time, I go back to playing games, but it's not the same anymore. That's it. I hope you like my story. If you like it, please click like. If you don't like it, please click like, but don't forget to share your feedback and comment below. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much for your subscribe. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. And hope to see you in my next videos. Bye.